Welcome back everyone to the channel and to a new car. This time we've got a 2015 Fiat Panda Lounge. It is the 1.2 petrol engine, it's got the 5-speed manual gearbox. This car has covered 49,317 miles. It is on the insurance register as a Cat S due to the damage on the driver's side lower seal. It also has 2 keys and it's just £30 a year to tax. Moving on to the inside, being the lounge model, it does have remote central locking, electric front windows, electric mirrors, power steering with city option and air conditioning. At the moment this car is MOT'd until May 26, but it will be having a full service carried out and a brand new MOT. Do subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, that way you won't miss out on any updates on this build or any of the new builds coming in the new year. If you do have any questions on this car or any of the others, you can contact me in the comment section below or at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos, and we do look forward to seeing you soon in another video.